Wala si Sir Russell. Holy season! Hey, light color. Alexis Texon. Ramil. Sir Ramil. Estalogo.
Kumakain!
Oliver Adrian. Sir Rolly.
Light color, light. Mami, put it here.
Kian.
Hindi kasi lobat anak
Bahir Salis.
I can hold that. Na, ako na lang.
Joe. Sir Joe.
Bakit lobat? Eh kasi kanina pa ako
Okay, for team, Coach Jen and Coach Sam.
Can I have more than 10 discount? Ha?
1 more 5 years.
Bakit anak?
I asked for kanin. And then it was 50 but they give me 10 years na lang. It's discount.
Okay, for team Coach Jen and team Coach Sam. Coach Jen.
Go, Coach Jen!
Coach Sam. Jason Sena, please wear light color. Go on the light color. Sudan. Natsuki Corpus. Don Salan. Joel Basa. Sir Ukraine. De La Rea. Jonathan Lalignon. Ivan Reyes. Andy Sarmiento. Ruel Santos. Ray Salita. Noyel. JP Hadali. Kenneth Albano. Richard Ariola.
Yay!
Anybody else? I missed to call the name. Coach Levy. Okay, guys, be ready, huh? So, Coach Levy, please select your first 5. Coach Jet, please select your first 5. Go inside the corner and shake hands first, please. Shake hands, shake hands, shake hands. Coach Gerard, please go to the team blue. Okay, first 5. First 5, Coach Jet. First 5, Coach Levy. Coach Levy, Coach Alvin, select your first 5, please. Okay, now we will be having a 4 quarters, 10 minutes each quarter running time. Okay, for the first 5 for Team Blue. First 5 for Team Blue. First 5 for Team Blue. Go inside the court.
Daddy, first 5! Na! First 5 si Daddy na! Cheer for Daddy! Go, Daddies!
Mic test. Coach Alvin with the ball. Supply. Rebound. Rebound by Tito Eva. 24. Pass to Coach Liana. 12. Bring down the ball. Number 15 with the ball. Coach Alvin. Bring down the ball. Pass to... Uy, galing. Gusto po. 12 with the ball.
Nice one! Nice one, Daddy!
All two. Number 22, bring down the ball. Pass to Coach Alvin, number 20. The ball. Pass to number 20. Intercepted. Pass to number 12. Number 12, bring down the ball. 10. 16 again. Tito Paul, bring down the ball. Pass to Coach Alvin. Coach Alvin the ball. It's good. 2 points. Number 16. 12 with the ball. Pass to number 16. Pass back to Coach Jet.
Whoa! Yay!
Coach Alvin with the ball. Pass to number 22. Pass back to Manse. Manse, pull up mid-range. And let's go! 2 points. Ariola with the ball. Checking his surroundings. Ariola pass to 24. 24.
Ups.
It's a foul. Committed by number 20. Pass the ball to number 15, Ariola. Ariola. Pass to number 24. Coach Jen with the ball. Cross jab.
Oops.
Second personal foul, number 20. Jet with the ball, closely guarded by Manse. Pass to 24. 24 with the ball.
Ay!
Intercepted by Coach Alvin. Coach Alvin pass break, ang bilis. 2 points. Tito Ardi with the ball. Pass to Coach Jet. With Ariola. Ariola with the ball.
Ay! Yes,
No
again!
good. Rebounded by Coach Alvin. Coach Alvin pass break. Oh, what a move.
Ay!
Ang galing ng pasa. Diyos ko po.
Diyos ko po.
Nag-exhibition na. Diyos ko po. Coach Jet with the ball. Closely guarded. Screen. Pass to Tito Eva.
Yes!
2 points for Tito Eva. Pass to number 22, 3 points. Oh, good rebounded by number 24. 24 picked on the ball. Floater and
Wow!
2 points for number 12. Score is 9-10. Favor of Light. Pass to number 22. 22 with the ball. Pass to Manse. Manse. 3-second violation. Ball for blue. Ariola. Pass to number 12. Pass back to Ariola. Ariola setting the play. Ariola. Pass to Coach Jet.
Ay! Dali, dali, dali! Ay!
Wait, light. Tito Poli with the ball. Number 11, bring down the ball. Pass to number 22. 22. Pass to number 20. 3 points. No. 20. Cross. Floater. Is it good? No, it isn't. Rebounded by number 24. 24 for the fast break. 24. Crossing by number 11. Off break. It's a floater. Is it good?
Yes!
2 points for number 12. Deep three!
Wow! Nice one, Coach!
Substitution!
Napakamahulog ka dyan.
Remaining 4 minutes. Score is 14 to 10. In favor of blue color. Number 77 with the ball. Pass to number 18. Joe Dillon with the ball. Nettie. Oh, it's a foul. Committed by number 19. 2 shots for number 43. Daddy ko yan, ha?
Daddy mo yan. Daddy mo yan.
Nice shot. First shot is good. Last shot, ready with jumpers. It's good. 2 out of 2. That's my dad. 16, bringing down the ball. Pass to 19. 19 with the ball, setting the play. Pass to Gardner. 19, it's a floater, is it not?
Yes! Woo!
18 with the ball. Pass to 0-0. 0 with the ball. Is it
Yes!
3 minutes remaining, 16 to 14 in favor of blue. 7 with the ball. Is it good? No! Rebounded by number 18, bring down the ball. Oh, it's a loose ball. Number 19 with the ball. 19. Pass to number 26. 26 with the ball. Pass to 19. 19.
Wow!
Pass 26. 26. 26 again.
Ay!
Pass back to number 26.
Shoot! Ay!
Short, rebounded by number 7. 7 with the
Ay!
intercepted by number 18. Spin move cross. Ooh. Is it good? No, rebounded by
Ay! Sayang.
18 with the ball. Pass to number 43. Neri. Rebounded by number 26. 26 with the ball. Twin bringing down the ball. Win Westman following. 26 with the ball. Last touch by Tito Joel Jr. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. Time to shoot. 19. Last to 7. Got it by 43.
Nice! Shoot!
26 for 3.
Yes! Sayang.
Rebounded by 43. Nettie pass to Westwick. 0-0 with the ball. Pass to 18. 18. Cross. Oh, no, the pass to Tito Jaden.
Whoop!
It's a
Foul.
Foul committed by number 30. Number 13, that is your first personal foul. 2 shots for number 77 and Dario. Please do not dribble the ball if you're not playing. Second shot. No good. 0 out of 2. Pass number 26, bringing on the ball.
Ay!
It's a foul committed by number 40. Hello.
Ay, sayang.
Waiting for the rebound. Waiting for the ball. Ang malakas, grabe po. Oh, class defensively guarded. Get the pass number 43 with the ball. Pass to Enterio. Pass to number 13. Still by number 13. 26 with the ball. Last 30 seconds remaining. Pass number 19 for the step back.
Dali.
Pass number
Shoot!
13.
Ay!
20 seconds. Time to shoot. Fast break by De Los Reyes for the supply just to po. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7.
Shoot, Daddy!
5, 4,
Shoot!
3.
Ay!
Not good. Last seconds. That is the end of the first quarter. Number 7, the ball. Reset. There's a mistake. Bypass, hello. The real time for sa mga manonood, it's 8:56. 7 with the ball, pass to
Ay!
fast break, number 2. And 2 points. Score is 16 all. 9 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Number 12 with the ball. Pass to number 24. 3 points. It's no good. Rebounded by
Oops!
Steve. It's a violation. Kick ball. 1 for yellow. Pass to number 12. 13 with the ball. Setting the play. Pass number 13, 3 points. No, it's short. 13 for the rebound. And it's out of bounds. Ball for blue. Number 7 with the ball. Pass to Eva. Setting the play. Pull up the play. Is it good? No, rebound by number 4.
Ay! Isa pa!
Rebound. Oh, what a move. Pass number 13, pass back. Pass to Coach Levy. Coach Levy, no good either. Rebound from 9. Oh, steal by number 7. Pass break. Intercepted. Stop. Oh, foul. Committed by number 13. Basta. Pass to number 7.
Ay! Ang layo. Layo.
Victor Ariola, please get out of the court. Eros, warning. Number 9, Calvo with the ball. 3 points. No good. Hits the lip. Evan for the rebound. 24. Oh! Score is 18-16. 8 minutes remaining. Number 12 with the ball. Intercepted by Coach Gerald. Coach Gerald with the ball. Number 12. Pass to Blacksher. 0-0-0.
Ah!
Coach James. Pass to Coach James. Coach James for 3 points.
Pinasahan si Coach.
Number 9 with the ball. 13. Pass back to Calvo. Calvo. 3 points. Is it good? It's no good. Rebounded by Evans. Pass break to number 12. Intercepted by number 13. Pass to number 9. Number 9 with the ball. Bringing back the ball. Pull up mid-range. Is it good? It's no good. Ball for blue. Ariola. Pass to Tito Evans. Number 24. Pass to Coach Gerald. Coach Gerald 3. No good. Rebound by 0-0. 0-0 with the ball. Short. Pass to number 7. 7 with the ball.
Ay! Lakas.
Too malakas. Ball for life. For people who are not playing and playing on the side court, please exit the court as you may cause time distraction. Number 12 with the ball. 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Score is 18-16. Number 12. Intercepted by Tito Evans. Tito Evans for fast break.
Wow, sayang.
In and out. 13 with the ball. 13. Oh, what a pass. 2 points. Score is 18 on 5 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Intercepted by Tito Evans. Ball for Basta. We're done. Last 3 points, no. Oh, it's
Oh!
3 points. Last 30 seconds on Nelson. Calvo. No. 12 with the ball. 3 points again. It's not good. Hits the rim. Number 2 with the ball. 3 points. Not good. Rebound by 0-0. Pass to Ariola. Ariola bring down the ball. Ariola. Oh, it was... Calvo. Pass number 13. It's good. 2 points. Change 5. Substitution player switch 5. Time remaining 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Score is 21-18.
Hello.
Time check in with 21:03. Time remaining 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Score is 21-18. 26 with the ball. Guarded by Caponi. Jump stop. 1.
Nice one.
26
Ay!
with the ball. Pump fake.
Ayan.
Pass back.
Dali, dali, dali.
13 with the ball. Pass number 26 for the...
Ay,
It's no good. Rebound by number... Coach Alvin. Coach Alvin pass number 22. Stop. Pull up jumper. It's no good. Rebounded by Manse. Manse. Big range.
Whoa!
Score is 29-20. 4 minutes and 10 seconds left. 21-20. 17, pass to 16, 3 points, isn't good. It's no good. Rebound back to the body, pass break 22. It's not good. Old school lakas. Coach Jet with the ball, in and out. Release. Intercepted by number 43. Pass to Tito Poli. Coach Jet. Oh, it's out of bounds. Ball for Tito Andy with the ball, number 17. Pass number 26. 26. Pass number 12. 3 points, is it good? No, ang lakas. Close recorded, number 43. Neri with the ball. Pass to Coach Alvin. Coach Alvin. Pass to number 22. Pass back to Manse. Manse. It's no good. Manse, are you okay, po? 3-3. Score is 23-20. 24. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Coach Gerald with the ball. Coach Jed. Pass to Tito Andy, number 17 for 3. It's no good. Rebound by 26. 26 for 3. Intercepted by Tito Poli. Tito Poli running back for number 11. Pass to Manse. Intercepted by number 30.
Pass, pass, pass.
30. Just
Pass.
to Manse. Still
Dali,
Manse.
dali, dali, dali. Shoot!
Oh, no,
Yes!
pass.
What a pass!
25-20. 5-point lead. 2 minutes remaining. 4-3.
Wow!
Sunod sa 3. 3 points. 25-23. 2 points lead. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. Pass to number 17. 17. Close recorded. 3 points.
Yeah.
It's good. It's not good. Rebound by number 22. 22 pass to Coach Alvin. Coach Alvin. Pass to Manse. Manse with the ball. Step through. Is it good? In and out. 2 points. 25 off. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Dead lock. Deep 3.
Bang!
Oh,
Yes, sayang.
it's not good. It's good and bounces out.
Uy!
Coach Alvin. Coach Alvin with the ball. Coach Alvin. Oh, too many to support. Coach Alvin, ang bilis mo. Last 46 minutes. 46 seconds remaining. Running time. Score is 25-27. And they will light color. Coach number 22. Intercepted by Tito Poli. Tumeli. Manse with the ball. 30 seconds remaining. Manse for 3. It's no good. It's not. 43 for 3. 22 with the ball. Manse. Kobe. It's not good. Not by 16. Still with the ball. 4-3.
Tira.
Floater and score. Score is 27-27. 8 seconds remaining. Running time. 4, 3, 2, 1 for game. It's short. Its score is 27-27. We have overtime. Mega shoutout sa Filipino Handball and mga Infinity Ballers. 18 with the ball. Pass to 0-0 for 3. No, it's no good. It's short. 7 for the rebound. Pass to number 19.
Ay, ang layo.
Out of bounds. Last touch by number 19. Ball for yellow.
Tabi anak, tabi.
With the ball is number 18. 18. Aling pass to 77. Enderio. Pass to 16. Oh, intercepted by 7. Still gets the ball back. Good mid-range. It's short. Rebound by Taiwan. Taiwan with the ball. 24. 3. It's good.
Wow.
2 points. Score is 9. Score is 29-27. 9 points. Nice scoop. For the rebound. 7 with the ball. Cross. Floater. It's a
Wow.
ball. Basket counted. Score is 29-27. And time remaining is 8 minutes and 35 seconds. Good. No, it's not. For the rebound, 77. Pass to number 0-0. De Los Reyes. Pass to 13. 13. For 3. It's no good. Evan for the rebound. With handles. 24.
Ay! Ay, sayang.
No good. Number 7, the ball. To Tita Evan, number 7.
Ay!
It's a pass. Number 7. Intercepted by 0-0. 0-0 with the ball. Pass break. Floater isn't good. No, it's not. Number 7 for the rebound. 77. Rebounding. Closely guarded. Good D. 26. Pass to number 19. Floater. It's good. It's good. 2 points. Score is 29-27. 31-27. 7 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. 77 with the ball. Enderio. No. Intercepted. Pass break. Oh, it's a hard pass. Out of bounds. Ball for yellow. AD with the ball. Score is 31-27. 4-3, no. Pass to 13. Pass to Enderio. Intercepted by number 7. It's out of bounds. On board. Enderio with the ball. Pass to 18. 18. Pass to 0-0. It's no good. 24. Oh, yo-yo step. It's good. 2 points. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Pass to 0-0. 0-0. It's a foul committed by number 26. Right? Ano ba? Score in
Ay!
33-27. Time remaining 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Pass back out. Intercepted. Enderio with the ball. Pass to 18. 18. 0-0. No good. 7. With the ball. Oh, steal by number 7. Number 7, pass to number 15. 19, pass to 24, 24, full range. No, it's no good. And there you for the rebound. And there you pass to number 18. Oh, 5 minutes and 27 minutes. Score is 33-27. Last ball possession until change time. And there you are. Pass back. Full of mid-range. Step back. 7. Over. What's the call, coach? What's the call, coach? Change 5. Change 5. Substitutions. Players, please find out your next 5 and let's play ball. For yellow team for constant complaining. 22 with the ball. Pass to number 13. 13. Intercepted. Tibon pass break. Oh, fighting for the ball. 26. Pass to number 12. It 3 points. No good. Number 13. Pass to 9. Closely guarded. Coach JP saying, her. Number 12 for 3. It's good. Patay. Tulong. 3 points. 33-30. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. It is something by 12. 12. Pass break. Pass number 9. Number 9. Pass number 12. Wow, what a play. Good give and go. Score is 33-32. Blue is ahead by 1. 33-32. Score. Time remaining is 3 minutes and 50 seconds left. Goes Jet for 3. No good. Number 9. 14. Pass break. Is it good? It's good. 2 points. Lamang na ang yellow. Yellow team. 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. 3 points, no good.
Points, ay.
Short. Rebounded by number 12. Number 12. Pass break pass number 13. 13 number 22. 22. Turnaround shot. Is it good? No good. Number 12. 2 points. 3-point lead. 33-36.
3 points.
17 with the ball.
Ay.
That's the first change. Dribbling violation. It's a carry. So with the ball, pass number 9.
Ay!
Okay ka lang.
Okay ka lang.
Okay ka lang po. Mid-range. 2 points for number 22. 17 with the ball. Pass number 20. 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. 12 for the rebound. Oh, steal by number 13. 17 for 3. It's no good. It's in and out. 23-38. 2 minutes remaining.
Ay!
Traveling. Kids, please don't get on the board. Pass number 26. Guarded by Calvo. Number 9. Number 17 for 3.
Ay!
Shoot!
Shoot! Ay!
First no good. Rebounded by number 00. Post. Intercepted.
Dali, dali, shoot!
0-0-0-0.
Yes!
One minute and 15 seconds remaining. For 3, no, in and up. 0-0 with the ball. Pass to
Stop. 1 minute.
Sige! Ay! Isa pa!
50 seconds.
Time to shoot. 1 for 3. It's no good. Last 40 seconds remaining.
Score. Favor of yellow.
Dang! Good yun ah.
Last number 22.
Last 15 seconds.
That's number 9 for 3. Oh, it's
10 seconds.
one to the ball. Pass. Never mind. Pass. 5, 4, 3.
Shoot! Ay!
26 with the ball. Pass to number 24. 24 with the ball. Pass to number 24. Oh, the give and go. Number 16. Now.
Oh, good.
Ay, sorry.
Number 16 on the free throw line. Last shot. Kids, please get off the court and avoid dribbling. No good. In and out. 24.
Ay,
Rebound. Number 9. Oh, intercepted by number 5. Number 9 with the ball. Pass to 0-0. Pass to number 20. 20 for number 9. 11 for 3 points. Score is
35.
Ariola guarded by Cody. Ariola. That's number 26. 26. Pass to Ariola.
Oh! What a pass!
Basket up. Score is
38.
Coach Alvin with the ball. Pass to 11 for 3.
Wow!
Chicken curry. For 3.
Yes! Bawi!
Coach Jacob downtown. 3 points. Number 20 with the ball. Pass number 9. Number 9. Pass to 0-0. 20. Pass to Manse. Manse for 3. Not good. Ariola. Got it. Number 24.
43.
16.
True ball.
24.
Ay! Papa.
Block. Matse with the ball. Fast break. Matse.
Up.
Oh, it's out. Foul committed by. Matse on the finger shot. First shot is good. Last shot.
Yeah.
Second shot. Second shot no good. Pass through. Ariola.
Ay!
Oh, intercepted by Matse. Matse with the ball. Pass through. 0-0 with the ball. Oh, first layup.
Magaling pa rin si Coach Jed, no?
Sa coach
Pag
per
3
reason.
points. Ha?
Sa coach per reason.
Galing siya sa 3 points.
Number 9. 40.
Right.
Oh, no good. Rebound by number 16. 16 with the ball. Pass to Ariola. Ariola.
Yan.
Score 51. 43.
Yes. 45-51.
51-45. Favor of yellow.
Yalas Reyes with the ball. Pass to Coach Alvin. Coach Alvin. What a move. Oy. Ariola.
Dali, 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 dali. Pass
Coach
break.
Ken.
Nice.
Easy.
Points. Coach Alvin running the play.
Last 5.
Oh.
Coach Alvin.
Number 9.
The foul. Out.
Substitutions.
Stop ref. Labas ang 4.
That's it. Fast break pass for number 12. 12.
Dali. Ay! Oh, good.
Foul.
Time
Foul
remaining.
number 7.
Score is
Bantay, bantay.
Pass number 20. Pass to 0.
Patay na naman.
No ball. Rebound by Manse. Manse with the ball. 0-0. No good. Rebounded by. Pass to number 7. 7. Pass to number 12.
Where's your stance?
Ha?
Where's your stance?
Hindi ko ma-stand kasi lobat ako na.
51-49. Favor of yellow.
Dali, konti na
Now
lang.
with the ball.
Basket timeout tayo ha.
20 for 3. No good. Pass break. Oh.
Ay! Sayang. One more! Ay! Isa pa! Sige na! Ah! Dali! Bilis! Ah!
Time remaining.
No good. Rebound by Manse. Number 9 with the ball. Pass to Manse. Pass to Coach Alvin. Coach Alvin with the handle. Patay. Sulot. Press. 3 points. Step back. 3 points. No good. In and out. Pass to number 20. What a shot! Time out! Victor, how do you feel about this game today? Number 12 with the ball. Screen. Setting the play. Oh, intercepted. It's a fast break. Fast break. Number 20. Oh.
58-51. 7-point move by Yellow.
90 for 3. Oh, in and out. Fast break pass. There's a goal.
Time out.
Time remaining.
2 minutes and 9 seconds. Score 60-51. Favor of Yellow.
Number 26. Pass to 12. Floater is in goal.
Yes.
2 minutes and 50.
Oh! 24 with the ball. That's great. 24. Pass number 12 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 20. 20 with the ball. Running. 13 with a fast break. Score is. Kids. Kids, please don't get on the floor and avoid dribbling. Number 12 with the ball. This is number 24. 24. 16.
Ay!
What's the call?
Two minutes and 6 seconds.
16 on the free throw line. Oh, no good. Second shot. Second shot is good. 1.
Last 2 minutes.
Pass number Coach Alvin. Coach Alvin ball. Pass number 12 for 3.
65 and 54.
Uy, sayang.
Oh, fast break by number 20. Coach Alvin with the ball. Oh,
25 seconds.
Pull up. Oh.
57, 54.
Pass number 20. With the ball. Oh, what a pass.
Last 5 minutes.
24 with the ball. Floater is good. Let's go. Points.
55 seconds.
With the ball. Dribbling it.
45 seconds.
Rebound by Manse. Manse with the ball.
40.
With the ball.
45 seconds.
From deep, from downtown. No, it's short.
30 seconds.
Well, number 20. Oh, number 5.
25 seconds.
Run from downtown.
Oy,
Oh,
sayang.
no. Rebound by Manse. Manse.
15 seconds.
Last possession. One.
Oh,
Oh.
galing.
7.
56.
3.
5. 4.
Dang.
3 points.
71, 59. Winner, yellow team.
Winner, yellow team. Please shake hands. Mega shout out, Philippine Ballers, Filipino Handbag, and Alola Vlogs. Take picture mga daddies. Mike Pastor.